It doesn't matter who you are. It doesn't matter how you found this page. Today is your lucky day. You're about to get exclusive access to the best and most reliable auto trading software out there. You will get free and unconditional access to software that's making a minimum of $2,200 for its users every day. Let me repeat that. Everyone who's using this software is raking in a minimum of $2,200 daily. Before we go any further and I give you a proper explanation of how this works, let me make something perfectly clear. I'm not selling anything on this page. On this page, you will only collect your profits, and you will never ever be asked for a single cent. Let me be completely honest with you. The reason why you are here is that we need more partners for our investing software. The more partners we have, and the more money they make, the more money we make also. In a moment, I'll explain to you how this works, and you will understand the point of it and all the reasons behind it. My name is Jeff Robbins. I'm the CEO of the Pattern Trader app. I started this company over 5 years ago. The reason I invested all my life savings into the development of this Pattern Trader app is simple. I tried all trading and signal systems out there, but none of them brought me the kind of money I always wanted. Instead of actually making money with these tools, I kept investing money into them. It took me many months to build a team which could develop such a powerful tool. I managed to hire the best programmers and top binary option analysts to help me with my mission. To cut a long story short, after 4 years, we're ready to launch the app. But first, I decided to only make it available to 50 lucky beta testers. We found a gold mine, an infinite stream of money available to everyone. We just wanted to be completely sure that the code we made would be secure and all our databases would be able to handle the onrush of traders willing to make money online. After a year of intense tweaking of our algorithm, I can finally say we are ready. The Pattern Trader is now going to be made available to the general public, and I'm happy we did it this way. I'm glad we didn't rush things and go full throttle to launch in 2015, because now the software is much more powerful. Let me show you an example. This is an account of Susan Richards. She was among our first 10 beta testers. This record is from the 4th of August, 2015. Susan opened a trading account with just $250 and started trading the very same day. At the end of the day, i.e. just 5 hours later, she had $1,050 available for immediate spending. But it gets even better. Because the Pattern Trader is doing this every day, you can see Susan's account here, day by day, month by month. Last year, there wasn't a single day when she earned less than $1,000. Let's quickly scroll through this August, so I can show you the difference between now and then. Because now, Susan is making profits of more than $2,200 daily. This is the reason why I'm happy we waited and took our time optimizing the results of the app. The Pattern Trader is now making more than twice as much as it was last year. And I'm pretty sure we'll continue this trend and we'll be making much more by this time next year. I don't think that I'm exaggerating when I say that the Pattern app is so powerful that it can turn your whole world upside down. We've seen so many success stories. We've seen so many people going from having a regular job to working from home. So many people turning their $250 into thousands of dollars. Let's listen to what the other beta testers are saying about the app.
My family is financially stable because of you.
I'm trading with your software and it is spectacular.
You are the best. It is really working like magic.
Hey man, it is working. Call me back.
If you want to change your life the way these people did, listen carefully to what I'm going to tell you over the next few minutes. By using the Pattern Trader's algorithm, you're on the winning side. You'll never experience a losing day again. In the next few minutes, you'll be granted access to the app and its secret algorithm, which we've been working on for the last 5 years. But before I give you free access to the software, let me clear up a couple of the most frequently asked questions we get from users here at Pattern Trader. No, you don't need any special knowledge. No, it doesn't matter who you are, whether you're young or retired, or a technically minded person or not. No, you don't need any experience with trading. And finally, no, you don't need large sums of money to invest. The best thing about Pattern Trader is that we made the app to be used by regular people, just like you. It's not another case of pay me $10,000 and I'll turn it into $20,000. It's easy to make money when you have money to invest. But this specific software was made for people who have little money and want to finally change their financial future. Let's get straight to the point. What exactly is the Pattern Trader? What does it do? What is it capable of? Well, you've already seen what it can do. It's about time to also explain to you a little about our algorithm and about the way our software will be making money on your behalf. We've managed to place secure servers in every stock exchange in the world. We have our own servers in New York, we are in Tokyo, London, Frankfurt, Paris, Brussels, Shanghai, Madrid, Sydney, we're everywhere. We've invested hundreds of thousands of dollars into this infrastructure. The faster our software executes the trades, the better the results. The fact that we're physically represented on every single stock exchange out there helps us to gain a winning rate of 90%. But fast and expensive hardware is just one part of the puzzle. The main thing is information. Information is power, and today it's more true than ever. That's why our servers are not just executing the trades, but also going through past events and looking for so-called pattern trades. Let me show you something very interesting. After I show you just one example of pattern trades, you will see immediately what it's all about. To best visualize things, let's zoom out a bit. This is a financial graph of gold and its price evolution between 1975 and 1979. This is another graph of gold, but this time it's for the period of 2000 to 2005. Don't they both look the same? History repeats itself. Sometimes daily, sometimes weekly, sometimes in yearly patterns, but it repeats over and over again. If we know how something behaved in the past, we can forecast with certain probability what's also going to happen in the future, right? And this is exactly where our software is the most powerful, because it's not comparing data every year nor every month. It's reading data from financial markets every few seconds. The only task of the Pattern Trader is to find repeating patterns of certain assets, and the rest is easy. If you know how your forefathers behaved in a given situation, you can also predict someone else's behavior in the same situation. The very same thing is happening in trading. If we know that the price of gold is reacting to certain events in a certain way, we can take advantage of this and make money. Let me repeat it again. We're not talking about a couple of $100s. We are speaking about a minimum of $2,200 that you can transfer to your bank account every single day. How can we be so sure that you're going to make such amounts? It's statistics. Numbers never lie. We're using the most proven statistical and mathematical method, and it guarantees success. On average, we can predict all trades with 90% accuracy. That means massive success and huge profits in the long run. If you want to make quick money, you can be absolutely sure this is not for you. Someone who is looking to make $50,000 within 2 days either lives in a fairy tale or is absolutely insane. We could probably make such software, but the risk of losing money would be higher than it is now. We would need to make many more trades to earn that much money. At the moment, Pattern Trader is only making the trades we are certain will bring success. We prefer to be making a steady $2,200 a day for life rather than quick money that could just come and go. You're probably wondering, how often are the patterns repeating? Statistically speaking, it's about 13,333 times a day. Every day, the Pattern Trader records 7,000 individual opportunities on the market. Of course, not all these opportunities are 100% guaranteed winners. That's why we added accuracy as the most important parameter for executing the trades. The Pattern Trader only makes a trade if there's a 90% chance of winning. So out of a total of 7,000 opportunities, Pattern Trader will only make the best 1% on average. You'll be given around 70 guaranteed trades daily. The rest is just a question of your budget. Let's do the math together. If you make all 70 trades every day, at least 63 of them should be winners. The Pattern Trader usually places trades for $20. On each trade, you make around $16. So, you can be making a minimum of $2,268 every day. And now comes the best part. As I mentioned at the very beginning, the Pattern Trader is an auto trading app. That means you literally don't have to do anything. Once you open your account, you just need to start the robot by clicking one button, and that's it. Your only concern after you start will be watching how your bank account grows from day to day. You don't need to be an experienced trader or mathematician to see the potential of the pattern trader. Even if you have no knowledge about financial markets, you can be making more than $2,200 every single day. If you still have doubts or concerns, let me assure you that is completely fine. It's normal to be careful, and it's also absolutely normal to have doubts. I just want to remind you of a couple of things. There is no risk. The sooner you start, the sooner you see profits coming in. There is really nothing special needed. The only thing you need is a mobile device or computer connected to the internet. And I guess you have that. Otherwise, how could you be watching this video? You don't need to spend months on training or taking lectures. You can be making money as soon as within 5 minutes of activating your copy of the software. You certainly don't need to have any experience, as the pattern trader is doing everything for you. You don't need to have much time. It only takes a few minutes to activate your account. If we're talking about how much time you need to invest on controlling the pattern trader on a daily basis, I can assure you that only about 5 to 10 minutes a day is needed. All you need to do is request a withdrawal in order to transfer your daily profit into your bank account. And later on, you will check your bank account to see that the money really is there. The pattern trader is a revolution in the world of trading. Binary options and other trading methods made trading accessible to the general public, but only the pattern trader makes it profitable for everyone. The pattern trader is working on hard data and has never had a losing day. Our team of market analysts, mathematicians, statisticians, and programmers continue to develop the software so that you will be actually making more and more money from year to year. Just last week, we accepted 500 new members. The numbers speak for themselves. All the traders together made more than $8 million. I can't give you greater proof of the geniality of the pattern trader than that. Are you ready to get started? There's a form next to this video. Just enter your name and email address, and you'll get your free license of the pattern trader. But before you do so, I want to be absolutely 100% honest with you. Of course, we're not doing this just for fun. As I said, I invested all my life savings into this. We are going to be charging you 10 cents for every profitable trade you make. We make money together. We have the greatest interest in keeping you happy, and we want to do that in a very fair way. This is why we are only looking for serious partners that will be with us for years. I prefer to be making just 10 cents from you forever than to be looking for new partners constantly and making higher amounts on them. We want to make you as much money as possible because that's the way to make you happy. And it's also the way to make sure we are going to get our fair share. We both grow together. We'll keep developing the pattern trader and we'll constantly ensure its quality. So you can be certain you will always win at least 90% of your trades. Don't ignore your chance to make $2,200 every day. It's finally time to take the next step. So either you will take action and we will see each other very soon, or you will hate yourself for missing this chance just because you were too afraid or you didn't trust me. As I said, that's completely fine. But since you have nothing to lose here and everything to gain, I think it's a pretty easy decision. Enter your name and email address, and we will get you started within 1 minute.